back to the channel. It's me, Daii Snoww, your famous and fashionable lady TikTok picture better. Today is an exciting video. But before we get to the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification so you can get notified when I post a new video. So yeah. Oh, subscribe and like and click the notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's get started. Okay guys, sorry for the pause. Today I am showing you my FIDGET collection. It's right here. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys, and we might do a quick challenge almost at the end of the video. First, we're gonna start with these. So this is a Tangle Gift stretch ball that we. Look at that purple! And this one is pretty hard, but it's still so satisfying. Like, you guys see those balls? Like 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh, that feels so weird. Next, over here we have some pop. Here, that beauty. And here we have the long ones. Okay, so that is the long ones. Hey, do you guys want to try to connect it? Hit a like if you guys want me to connect it. Let's do it. Oh, it doesn't connect. I know it does. A little pause here.
2,000 years later.
So there we have our big pop tube necklace. Oops, I just ruined it. It's a pop tube necklace. Oops. Okay. Now we're gonna do a other necklace, but with small ones. By the way, if you guys have pop tubes or any of these fidgets, comment down below. And which color maybe. And for our goal today is at least to get 10,000 likes. Please try to. Please. And if we get to 10,000 likes, we will do a part 2 of fidget toys. And trust me, there will be more fidget toys! And over here we have a small one. It's a little drink. It's like a Starbucks drink, right? This is a small puppet. You guys could plop it in your bag, and when you guys feel stressed, you guys take it out and you guys start popping it. Like, for real, fidget toys are really helpful. I recommend them a lot. And over here we have medium poppets. Well, not medium, but small. There's other mediums. Here we have this kind of like a galaxy one. Small, medium. Well, you guys know, right? Comment down below if you have this one. And have you guys noticed that little hole? We could put a string there. We could hang it. And then we have here this unicorn one. I love this one because this one has a lot of colors. Here's the other one. This is a rainbow one. So there it is. Now we have, you guys ready to see this? 3, 2, a huge Among Us! Okay. So the challenge is to try to pop this huge thing And we can't forget, I'm gonna try to pop this huge thing, this, and this. And I'm gonna disconnect these and make them small with all of this. And you guys know how many minutes? 1 minute! Can you guys believe it? Let me get some emojis in the comments, please. So let's bend these down. And there's gonna be another exciting part. Okay. So somebody please start the timer. A timer! Okay guys, so this is gonna be exciting. Here's the thing, and I'm gonna start in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I already did it. Smash that subscribe button for 20 more seconds. Yeah? Did you guys do it? Did you guys do it? Yeah, you guys did. So let's put some. Okay, so 3. Because trust me, if you guys pop this, it's gonna be hard. But for extra credit, I'm gonna also pop this one. Please, some dramatic music and intense. Okay, guys, so sadly I couldn't, but here's the other thing. I am gonna see if my mom could pot this thing in 1 minute. Da-da-da-da-da-da! So, let's go and ask her right now. Okay, guys, so it's the moment of truth. 3, 2, 1, go! Puedes empezar aquí, mamá. Make sure you guys hit a big like for supporting my mom and subscribe. Oh, and there's my auntie. 30, 20 more seconds. Minutes.
Esto me está haciendo que yo me estrese, no que me desestrese, que me estrese. Eso no funciona.
4, 3, 2, 1. Thanks for supporting my mom like you guys supported me. Let's give her 1 more minute.
No. ¿Para qué?
Oh, también necesita hacer atrás.
Vete a la chingada.
Look at the timer. Wow, Could you guys believe it? My mom is barely finishing the first part.
Es un marrano.
11, 10,
¿Para
9.
qué?
¿Puedes hacer así, mamá? 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys. So that was it. Thank you for watching this video. I love the support. And for when I get more fidgets, we could do a part 2. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and turn on the post notification and give a huge like. Bye, guys.